Ever pondered over the myriad ways teenagers in India can put the internet to use and earn money online? The digital era has unlocked a treasure trove of opportunities for young minds brimming with creativity and ambition. Today, we delve into 10 such avenues that can help teenagers turn their skills and interests into a source of income. First up, freelance writing. If you have a way with words, this could be your calling. The digital landscape is always in need of content creators, copywriters, and bloggers. Websites and businesses are constantly on the lookout for fresh talent to shape their narratives. So if you can spin a tale or craft an engaging article, freelance writing can be a profitable venture. Next in line, graphic designing. With just a computer and design software, you can create visual content for businesses and individuals alike. If you have a knack for aesthetics and a keen eye for detail, graphic design can be a rewarding pursuit. Moving on to social media management. Almost every business today understands the power of social media. If you're social media savvy and understand how to engage an audience, businesses could use your expertise to manage their online presence. Fifth on the list is online tutoring. If you excel in a particular subject, why not share your knowledge? Whether it's math, science, or languages, you can use your academic prowess to tutor students online. Next, we have blogging. If you have a specific interest or a niche you're passionate about, starting a blog could be a great way to share your thoughts and ideas. Monetizing your blog through ads, affiliate marketing, and sponsored content can turn your passion into a profitable venture. Finally, we have YouTube. If you enjoy being in front of the camera and have content to share, be it vlogs, tutorials, reviews, or entertainment, creating and monetizing a YouTube channel can be a lucrative way to earn money online. In summary, the digital realm is teeming with opportunities for teenagers in India to earn money online. Whether it's freelance writing, graphic designing, managing social media, online tutoring, blogging, or starting a YouTube channel, the internet offers a plethora of avenues to turn your skills into a source of income. Remember, the key is to leverage your unique talents and interests, and with a bit of hard work and persistence, the digital world can indeed be your oyster.